Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome back. I'm Joe. This is the Crypto Joe channel. So, as we're learning this burgeoning market together, you and I, there are a lot of things that we need to learn as times change and as new information comes about. And I kind of feel like maybe we are lied to, maybe not lied, maybe misled a little bit when everybody was pushing the whole cryptocurrency is a hedge against inflation thing because, well, definitely inflation is here, but I don't see very much hedging. So I wanted to read this article, definitely get your input. Absolutely tell me what you guys think because this is stuff that matters to us and we're growing together. I'd love for us all to get rich together, look back from the moon and be like, yep, man, what a journey it was. We're in this together. So, how does inflation impact cryptocurrency? This is from ally.com. Cryptocurrency and inflation. These two are supposed to have a close relationship. Yeah, a close opposite relationship. When inflation got hot, crypto was supposed to get hotter. The result being potential protection for the buying power of your money. Yeah, that's kind of what I had understood way back when as well. Investing has definitely slapped me around a little bit and taught me differently, but still, this is just not what we were told. This is not what everybody was pushing back when the FOMO was coming out. Inflation, Bitcoin is the hedge against inflation. Cryptocurrency is the hedge against inflation. You put your dollar in today, inflation goes up, and your dollar in cryptocurrency will be worth more because your dollar was in early and blah, 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 and many different arguments, but it just didn't seem to really, it just, I don't know. It isn't happening, is it? And yet, as inflation has increased at the fastest pace in decades, crypto has been so volatile, this relationship has come into question. Yeah, I'm questioning it. I'm wondering what you guys are thinking as well. It has got some industry analysts thinking, see, I can't even talk. It has got some industry analysts thinking about the role cryptocurrency plays in a world with persistently high inflation. Yeah, I mean, crypto's going to take over the world. I got no doubt. I really don't. It's a better way. It's better than Swift. It's better than Nostro Vostro. I mean, time, fees, it's better. Many fans of cryptocurrency often think of it as a digital substitute for the US dollar, and in some ways it is. Maybe. I mean, wow, that's like 4 videos right there. Let's move on before I get off topic. Not every coffee shop is going to accept Bitcoin or Ethereum. Absolutely not. It's too expensive. That's dumb. You're not going to go buy a pack of gum with 0.0000 satoshis. No. And you're not going to pay the gas fees. You're not going to pay the transaction fees. You're not going to pay. No, that's not it. Algorand. Yeah, I could see you buying a pack of gum with Algorand. I could see you doing with XRP. I could see those two. XLM, well, kind of, but not so much. So we're going to skip a little bit because I'm a newbie channel, so I don't have the right to have a nice, good, long discussion with you guys. So I got to be brief, and my apologies for that. Watching this to the end would help. I mean, that's the greatest thing you could do. I love talking about this stuff. Let's see here. If inflation erodes the value of a dollar over time, people often look for assets that can consistently outgrow the increase of inflation, like gold. Used to be silver. You invest in gold if you think it's going to be good times, and you invest in silver if it's going to be bad, or maybe it's the other way around. I don't remember those old cowboy sayings anymore. Someone correct me in the comment section. A lot of investors already do this with gold, commodities, and other investment asset classes. Instead of putting money in traditional and alternative investments to build and store wealth, an investor might purchase cryptocurrency in hopes it increases in value. Yeah, how's that going for us for the last few years? It seems like it's been watching paint dry. Could just be my perception, but I feel like I've been watching paint dry watching the cryptocurrency market. All right, we're going to skip down to the good part down here. Don't count on crypto because we all need to be informed of the good and the bad. And too many times we catch ourselves pushing the good Our coin is great. This is awesome news. Okay, well, let's soak up something for thought. Some investors are already using Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a hedge against inflation. This could prove to be a savvy move, but the jury's out on that one because, well, it's a young asset class. We have a lot of volatility because it's a young asset class. Once more money comes into it, volatility will go down because, well, there's more money, percentage-wise of a smaller amount. 50% of a dollar's 50 cents. That's a drastic crash, As more money goes in, then the volatility will start going away. Simply put, crypto's past is too brief to predict its future performance. And that's what makes it scary, is we just don't know. We're told it's one thing, and it doesn't really look like it's behaving that way, does it? For now, cryptocurrency remains an unpredictable investment opportunity. If you own Bitcoin or another crypto, as part of your diverse investment strategy, set specific performance goals for it. This will guide your actions when it crosses a specific price. That way you'll avoid emotional investing. And that, my friends, my family, my listeners, is the big one. Emotional investing. Take it from me. You want to take your emotions out of the equation as much as possible, which is why I say stick to your plan. Because when you're sitting down and you're making your plan, you're kind of sitting there and you're thinking about the future as you're making your plan. You're not thinking about what's happening right here, right now, per se. You're looking at, hey, in 5 years I want this. In 10 years I want that. So you're a little more apt to be on point. But if you base your decisions upon what is happening on the here and now, then you're more likely to chase green candles, pull out at the wrong time, sell. Look, I've done it. I've done it. I have done it. I am guilty as charged. And I want to save you guys from making some mistakes too. But be careful of what you hear. Do your own research. That's why when we hear it's deflationary and we see that, wait, maybe it's not, look into it, take a step back, listen to multiple resources. Anyways, I have got to end this because, well, I'm not a big enough channel for my voice to matter as much as I think everybody's voice should. And your voice matters on this channel. Comment. Your voice matters. I appreciate your time. I'll see you guys on the next one.